Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to change your app icons on your iPhone. But you need to have the Siri shortcut app to do it, otherwise you just go to the Apple Store right here and look for shortcuts. So you need to have this app open here. And the next thing you want to do is you want to find the images for the icons you want to have. So let's go back to Google. Yes, I accept all. And as you can see, I have already searched for an app icon for Snapchat because I would like another app icon. So I see a pink one, but I really like, I like this one with the green and the pink. I'm going to click on it, save to photos. Maybe I would like this beige. And you can search for anything. So you can also search for app icon, Instagram. Oh, I typed it wrong. It doesn't really matter. As you can see, there's also a beige version of this. I like this. And I also like the pink one of this. Okay, so once you have done that, you're going back to the shortcut app. So I'm gonna look up again and open it. And you need to click on the left bottom here on the shortcuts. And now you have all the shortcuts, as you can see, and you can click on the top. And you want to create a new shortcut. So you're going to tap on the plus on the right top, click on it. And what you're going to do now is click on the open app. And now click on app. And now you're gonna look for the app you want the icon change for. So let's, for example, I want Snapchat. I'm looking for Snapchat. Here you are, click on it. And let's click on done. Oh, sorry. I need to change it. Snapchat. So I'm clicking on Snapchat. And what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna click on the share icon. And I'm gonna add it to home screen. And now you see an example of how this shortcut looks. So we want to change it. So I'm going to name this Snapchat. And you can see the example of how it will look over here. And I'm gonna click on the image, choose photo, and I'm gonna take this one. And you can zoom in and zoom out. I'm gonna zoom in and I'm gonna click on choose. And then I'm happy because this is an example. I'm click on add. Then I click on done. And now it will be on your home screen. As you can see here, this is my new Snapchat shortcut and I can place it in a map wherever I would like. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.